A traveler arrives on your website and types into the search bar, "Is this resort kid-friendly?" What they usually get back is a list of links that probably don't answer their question directly, which means they have to start searching through the menu and pages to try and find a blog or a FAQ list where they can piece together an answer. In that moment, the visitor is trying to decide if this resort is a good fit and whether to make a booking here or somewhere else. With an AI agent, you can turn your website or mobile app into a digital travel advisor that's always available to help people find answers, compare options, and take action. From the visitor's perspective, they still interact through familiar touchpoints like a search bar or a chatbot, but now the experience is personalized, conversational, and focused on moving them forward in their journey with your brand. In the AI 12Z platform, you can customize the welcome screen of the AI agent by adding buttons for common questions and key actions that guide the conversation and help visitors get started. Visitors can engage with these prompts or type and speak directly to the digital assistant using natural language, just like talking to the concierge at your front desk. The agent uses RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, to pull answers from your brand's existing content. For instance, if a visitor asks, "Are there any festivals in November?" the assistant identifies a relevant blog post, summarizes the answer, and links directly to the source it used. As the conversation continues, visitors don't have to start over with every follow-up question. The assistant keeps track of the context of what's already been discussed. After asking, "Tell me about the spa," a visitor can follow up with, "What should I bring?" and the assistant understands they're still talking about the spa. Beyond information just on the website, the AI agent can connect to third-party systems to provide responses that incorporate real-time data. Like connecting to the resort's booking system to show real-time updates on room availability, or calling a Google Maps integration to respond to the question, "What are the directions from the airport?" This response not only summarizes the route, but provides a map view and a direct link to open the directions in the Google Maps app, which is extra convenient for users on their phone. The assistant can also connect to the resort's restaurant systems to surface daily specials and available menu items. Visitors can browse dishes using visual cards that include images, nutritional details, pricing, and the option to order room service directly within the conversation. As travelers consider their options, the assistant can help them compare rooms, restaurants, and activities to plan a trip that fits their interests. If a guest asks for nearby dining recommendations, the assistant can search a structured restaurant database by calling a REST service that organizes each listing by fields like cuisine type, location, hours, and price range. This makes it easy for the agent to help guests narrow in on what they're looking for, like only Italian restaurants or restaurants open for breakfast. To bring all these pieces together, the AI agent can generate a personalized travel itinerary for visitors. The assistant uses the preferences I specified, hiking and seafood, to build a day-by-day plan, complete with suggested activities, dining options, and details on how to book or get to each experience. And while the first draft of this itinerary sounds great, guests can continue to refine the plan by changing locations or adding on more activities, like adding in a tea time one afternoon on the resort's golf course. Instead of having to go to the website page under Activities, I can book that activity right here. The booking form is integrated with the golf course reservation system, so it only shows available times. Based on my previous interactions with the agent, the assistant knows who I am and can autofill details like my name and room number to add the charge to my bill automatically. For travel brands, the AI agent becomes a digital concierge. This means your website can actively support how guests make decisions, rather than leaving them to figure things out on their own. The result is a more helpful experience for visitors and a more effective digital touchpoint for your brand. If you have questions or want to see what an AI agent could look like on your website, get in touch using the details below.